Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is complex analysis. Let f such that d tends to d be holomorphic with f0 is equal to half and f half equals to 0, where d equals to z such that mod of z less than equals to 1. Which of the following is correct? F dash 0 mod of f dash 0 less than equals to 3 by 4 mod of f dash half is equal less than equals to 4 by 3 and f dash mod of f dash 0 is equal to 3 by 4 and fz equals to z. So friends, this type of problem we can solve by the Schwarz solution. Let's start. So option A and B and C is correct. So f such the D be holomorphic, f0 is equal to half and f half is equal to 0, and where D equals to Z such that mod of Z less than equals to 1. So I use schwarz-pick theorem. So schwarz-pick theorem is equal to mod of f dash Z less than equals to 1 minus mod of fz whole square divided by 1 minus mod of z whole square. I repeat this formula again. Mod of f dash z less than equals to 1 minus mod of fz whole square divided by 1 minus mod of z whole square. So friends, f dash 0 is equal to less than equals to 1 minus f0 whole square mod of f0 whole square divided by 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, because f0 is equal to half. So half whole square 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4, and mod of f dash half is equal to less than equals to 1 minus mod of f half whole square divided by 1 minus half whole square. 1 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4, 4 is equal to 4 by 3. So friends, I hope that A, B, C option is correct. Why? Because I am putting the value of f0, f half. So I get this value. But fz is equal to z, but in here f0 is equal to 0, f half is equal to half, which is not satisfaction, because fz is equal to 0, f half is equal to half, but in here f half is equal to 0. So it is not correct. I hope it is clear for everyone.